everyone, this is Ingrid. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you some DIY stuff. We'll be transforming this antique looking dresser into a white minimalist kind of dresser. So the first thing we need to do is to sand the wood because it has varnish in it. And these are the materials that we're going to use in sanding this dresser. Here are the glass and the glove, and then the sander, the sandpaper. So we're gonna unscrew, baby. So I'm done sanding them all. So here's the sanded drawer. Okay, so now I'm ready to paint them. It's painting time. There are two types of paints I'm gonna use. The primer and the second coating. It's the interior semi-gloss for cabinet and trim, and it's enamel. And both of them are white. And to apply it, I'm gonna use this roller and of course this brush. So we need to mix it first because it's watery. So we'll now apply the second coating for the primer. Is now dried, so let's apply the second coat. So I'm done applying the primer. I actually applied 3 coatings for the primer because the wood really absorbed the primer. I consumed half of this container. Now I'm gonna apply this semi-gloss paint for the final coating. The paints are all dried up, so now it's time to screw these handles to the drawers. So here are they. I'm done painting and putting those handles. So now let's put them all together.